Now start.
Okay.
Maybe first one missed. Check. So, what is the syllabus actually? Have you any idea about the syllabus? Today I will say only the chemistry syllabus, organic chemistry syllabus. We will class, each teacher will share. So, you have 50% your final sem and rest 50% from the internal assessment and mid semester. Okay. And what is the splitting of these 50 marks? 20 from internal assessment. I will give you one assignment. All organic teacher will give you an assignment, all chemistry teacher, and then combining them, you will get one marks out of 20 internal assessment on the basis of assignment. That is also in the physical mode also happened. The system are same. For mid-semester, you will get 30 marks. So mid-semester is very vital. If you lose some marks in mid-semester, suppose you will actually get 20 marks. That means you can't make up this by any way. So be very careful because mid-semester is within 1 month, so fast, and we have to take our even practical class for complete and give a total idea about the questionnaire etc. for the mid-semester preparation. Okay, so that is very important. If you lose marks, you lose for your all semester. You can get back these marks anyhow. Okay. Which semester, because of maybe uh, you are new and to understand the communication, there is lots of communication because now is still more difficult to communicate with the teacher. And we can see the faces. So if we see the face, we can understand this student have some difficulty. Okay, whatever they are, so many students, but their appearance predict something. A group of students maybe looks like they are not feeling good for the learning during the session. So that is very easy to understand, and also we can talk after class long time discussion. What is from where book? I can provide the book. You will get the this way. Our discussion will continue after class also, but here is very difficult. Okay, so that's why mid semester because of this mm, something interesting communication are missed, and all student got less number marks in mid semester. Maybe somebody prepared physical part very well, somebody prepared organic part very well, but not at a time all three. So all loses marks who are not properly going through the all three stream chemistry. I am talking about the chemistry. Same for physics, mathematics, or any subject. So mid semester is very vital. Final sem will be little bit mature in IIST. There will be no problem. Okay, but mid semester this is the very beginning part, and there is a very short time too, 45 minutes. Okay, and this 45 minutes for chemistry is very difficult because you have not writing through thoroughly. You have to draw the structure. It taken some time proper, and you missed so many things, ortho orientation, para orientation, etc during mechanism. So you lose your marks. So very carefully you will go through the mid semester. Each part, whatever we are, for me, I am trying to provide all the material, and and also the initial up to mid semester we are not in so deep except one part. Now I'm coming to the syllabus. For syllabus, one part is from structural stability of organic molecules. Okay. Then next part, there uh, some activity. Activity and characterization. Activity means how they behaves or what is the reason for behaving as optically active compound. Then there UV absorption. UV wave, photocatalytic activity, photoactivity. And another point, the chemical characterization. Chemical characterization, initially we done with some chemical reactions. Okay, some and product come and then we go for the melting point, etc. But that is very lengthy process. Now we are going to NMR study. NMR study actually is processed with the help of proton NMR, mainly proton NMR, মানে number of proton, how many number of proton and what is the chemical environment of that proton in a molecule, we can understand from the NMR. So that is the all these things are in our syllabus, the structural stability and their predictions. And another part, there is some that is actually for very easy two part. One part is name reactions. Okay, name reactions. We are going through some special name reaction which are very popular and very basic organic synthesis are based on this. Very much easy. These are very easy actually, and maybe these are you already familiar from HS preparation. Not for the HS actually, joint entrance preparation. You already have total idea. You lots of name reaction you already learned. So from there we have maybe 3 or 4 name reactions. Okay, like pinacolone rearrangement, Beckmann rearrangement, then Diels-Alder reactions. Okay, this type of name reactions are there, one part. And mid-semester covered this one because I think everybody will successfully perform this name reaction. At least they can provide the mechanism. So that's why Abhrodip Niyogi trying to enter through another email, but Jisoo you automatically done. Just inform him. I am not accept. So Abhrodip Niyogi. If you have WhatsApp group, you can share this message to Abhrodip. Or Seer. Who is Seer now in your group? You already selected or you will select?
Ma'am, we will select today.
Selected?
Today will be the election.
Ma'am, today.
So Abhrodip Niyogi, just mention everybody will enter through the this mail. Otherwise, he can ask me to join initially by email. Otherwise, I can do this. And we have recording. I can share later on with all, so no problem. Okay, for initial class. Because I have no idea who are inside or who are outside. So if they mention or through you also, because the divisions are divided, any persons in a group, so that I can understand actually. Otherwise, who are IST student and who are not, I can differentiate. I can decide myself actually. But I can share a recording with all. Today is the not so many basic things are there. Okay. So, and last part, organic name reaction, and then last part. Last part is again very simple, polymer. This and basically actually polymer always we keep in the final semester. That's why final semester you will be little bit free to get the marks, because polymer is just some synthesis, name of the polymer, and there are some properties. We have know all their properties. We are using daily. Without polymer, we have no life now. Even our mobile, I can actually want to mean about the mobile and computer, this keyboard, everything is polymer. Okay, and there is a e-waste also. So polymer is a very useful material, and some e-waste which is very still have a very much need research on this, how to tackle this e-waste, electronic waste material, so stable. So that's why this year we'll introduce this e-waste, some removal process or something, but this is not informative. not any, all are informatics. That's why financing will be little bit easy actually. And first, so now, but NMR and UV is new to you, I think so. And we will going to the identification of organic molecule. So these two part, we will very carefully follow the class, because we have last year I have get so much less time. I have to actually within 1 hour, and another half day, I have to describe this NMR. And I was not satisfied. And then how can I feel the students are satisfied? But that's in this time actually we use our this class practical classes, okay, so that we can properly within the 2 hour we have 2 to 3 hours, and we can sharing the NMR principle very thoroughly. That is very interesting actually. And NMR is most popular tool to identification. Actually have so much application in industry, then quality control, purity control, so uses solvent purity, solvent separation, synthesis, even a polymer have also characterized by NMR. These are then we are using for solid NMR. Okay, polymer are not soluble in any solvent, most of these cases. So in that case, we will use now uh, solid NMR. That is something we have no so much solid NMR in our country, maybe 4 to 5. In one few IITs, not few IITs, two IITs and uh, to ISER or IISc. That's why. So all our sample actually we send to this center only. But luckily they don't ask for money or the solid NMR. That is, otherwise it is too much costly. 1 hour for 22,000. But they actually somehow promote this research with other institute. That's why. Okay. Now, tell me one thing, just one, because you have already maybe going to Institute of Innovation Council, and you have to provide so many innovative ideas. You have to share so many innovative idea about the Abhishek Rai also trying with other email ID, but just inform Abhishek Abhishek Rai. Just inform him, okay? Use G Suite account. Then that's why I'm just sharing, because it's first day, so you can check by Google or etc. How to tackle this e-waste. That is, you can think actually. There is any idea how to take what is the process, or you have any idea to control the e-waste?
Ma'am, we have to recycle it in a electronic thing like mobile or computer. There are lots of things like plastic, glass, or some metal. We have to separate the materials according to their melting temperature. Then we have to recycle it in another new things.
But all polymer are not so much recycling nature, na? And also another point, polymer have no marked melting point, or there is some transition point, but not the melting point, because it's a not fixed composition. There is a monosaccharide, maybe one length, one chain, one have 3, one have 4. So randomly the polymer formed. That's why I have not any marked melting point like compound. That's why polymer. Otherwise, it mentioned as polymer, not polymer but compound.
Ma'am,
So,
can we refurbish them?
hmm?
Can we refurbish them to a new
Can
product?
be
Refurbish them.
refurbished. That is the instrument. If software we can
Class
install.
ఇప్పుడు కాదు
Huh? What is? Harshvardhan. Tell me.
Ma'am, to avoid e-waste, first we have to go for wireless connections to avoid some cable e-waste and other cables which always disconnect. So we go for wireless connection so we can reduce the
Yes.
e-waste in some way.
So we need a strong Wi-Fi so that we can go this way. That is okay. So we reduce our wear at least in this way. That is a good. So just get. So how to maintain this thing? All this there is a problem also. But another point during the recycle, whatever say about the Maharnov, said about the during recycle, you if you solid material you will go for this way recycling solid material to melt it will char actually. Okay, you can try in home. That is very difficult to maintain the uniformity. You something char and you will get some smoke. That is maybe not good for us. Okay, think about this one. So what is the strategy we can during recycle also we can introduce?
Ma'am, in
That
that
still
case,
is unknown. Suppose our water bottle, this container, Bisleri water or etc. There is a lots of Bisleri water, lots of now packed food, plastic container. So how to control these also along with this e-waste?
ma'am, in that case, all the e-waste, they're basically made of two components. One is the plastic part of it, other part is the electronic aspect of it. So we have an old discarded computer, we have the outer casing, which is mostly plastic or polymers, and inside we have the electronics, which can be reused again. So if we can separate both those components, then the
Yes,
plastic
yes.
can be recycled separately, and the electronic parts can be recycled for future use and all.
Okay, so that is something I want to share actually. A good, I think is Kailasam. It's good actually. So you think on it because actually there is a different type of hackathon. Even toy hackathon, you have to make some toy. You have this electronics hackathons. So many hackathons is there. Okay, so you will participate, but you have need some preparation. So go right now. You think so because our also some theme is going on in India. The Swachh Bharat is going actually. So there is a lots of coming the agenda. You have to provide some thought actually. Student will come forward and they will provide something. Okay, we are like saturated, no, all the time. That's why I motivate you. Go to whatever you thinking. That is, and if you want, we can talk also. Or how if you have something in your mind, we can talk. We can elaborate. We can discuss, so that you can participate. That is something mandatory for each institute. The student should participate in this. In this hackathon or etc. At least 3 group. Internally, we selected the group, and then we will go. You make a group yourself, 2 or 3 or sometimes is 4, so that you can communicate each. That is important. Not only the theory class or marks or that is important, but nowadays your outlook, your patent, your copyright is much more important. So we have lots of, you learned about the IPR, I think so, intellectual property rights lesson from your induction. So these are very important. These are very important for your future, for your placement. Now these are checking.
Yes, ma'am, I'll look into it. Thank you.
Okay, so that is information. That is the best basic now need for your better placement. Not only the 10 CGPA only. 10 CGPA along with this capability, you will get the even 9 CGPA get with that capability will get the best job. So be ready with some innovative idea or actually increase your creativity or whatever you have creativity, you explore it. That is now the motivation. Okay.
Okay.
My son is almost as the next year 12. I say, I always share with this. Go through whatever the joint entrance and this medical, whatever, or in general. But you need to think about what we need in our daily life that in a simple way that will give you some outlook for your better future. Otherwise, you can do anything. Okay, now there is somebody say something actually. Kailasam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me what you have to tell.
Nothing, ma'am. I just told, thank you, ma'am. I will look into the hackathons and e-waste.
Okay, just follow. I will call some student. I am in actually IPR cell, but coordinator of also in the this innovation council cell too. The time is too short, and we'll start maybe from January different uh, event. There is a calendar, etc. So we'll ask few students to join from the first semester very shortly. So you will going through your seniors discussion and prepare from now. Otherwise, no, this online mode is very frustrating. We can't accommodate the student for even participation or not even in this competition. We have lots of, actually there is a money too for their registration, for their copyright, even architecture student have, they can make copyright or patent na, on their design, or software students also can make their copyright for their own project. There is a lots of possibility are there. Talk to me. I can give you full financial assistance will be there for student. Okay, we will provide. There is a very less, actually maybe 20,000 is needed to for the patent or copyright. So just come fast. Think on this way. Okay, now I start my presentation. Okay. Now we're going to green side. That's why my slide is like this, greener. So sky will be blue and everything will be green. So structural stability of organic molecules. Okay, first, my topics, and that is something we recapitulate actually. But and question there will be in mid semester there will be some questions like explain why type. Very simple using inductive effect, resonance effect, but not from your standard. The moiety will not like your UG standard. Maybe something different that known to you. So we will discuss on this all moiety, how inductive effect. Suppose you have only do the heteropyridine, pyrrole, you know, but you don't know about the imidazole. But imidazole is very important. We put there imidazole and asking what is the position the electrophilic substitution will go through. Okay. So by inductive effect, you can tell this one because heterocyclic moiety, heteroaromatic, we have also aromatic moiety. That time we will tell heteroaromatic moiety will what happen will not actually provide so much resonance stability. Okay, so we predict the inductive effect. So inductive effect still is a very important qualitative tool for the prediction of stability or behavior towards the other incoming moiety for an organic molecule. Very basic. Still, whenever I am thinking, actually, we have PG seminar. There is one student are going through one antioxidant property and he can't understand why this will happen, ma'am. This moiety, how this moiety is a higher antioxidant moiety than other. So there also I am showing actually share. I just go through the inductive effect. Everything is same. Only inductive effect is different. I know that is the reason for the free radical scavenging. It has this inductive effect. So that's why still inductive effect is very important basic. Sometimes it will still in research also you can understand, later on you have to prove. Later on you have to prove accordingly by instrumentation, so that is happened by your designing. Now, what is the inductive effect? A charge polarization through connected sigma bonds. So this is a charge polarization, and resonance is a delocalization of electron. This is charge polarization through connected sigma bonds. So only sigma bonds are involved, not the pi. Cause a shift of charge density to more electronegative atom, the effect will be more with fewer connected bonds. Obviously, this attracting of shifting of electron density with the number of bonds will decrease. So that's all you know. So functional groups are classified as electron withdrawing, that is minus I effect, and electron donating, that is plus I effect. So electron, if pushing the electrons, charge density shifting outside, then that is plus, and if inside, that is minus I effect. So few groups are related to this. Minus I groups, minus F, minus Cl, minus Br. Br is mistakenly, R is capital here. Minus I, OR, OH, etc. Even some organic functional group, carboxylic acid group, ester group, keto group, CN, etc. Plus H group are CH3, CH2 are saturated, all aliphatic actually are plus I group. Even deuterium also behaves as plus I, but not like only, is almost same. H, hydrogen, carbon are all have same type of electronegativity. So there is not so much difference in charge density. Acidity. So what is the, now I am going to inductive effect is clear, and I am not so much going to it because you already learned. So what type of question will come? Accordingly, I will prepare with some simple molecule. And during your answer, you will be careful. You have to draw the structure. That takes some time. Properly, you have to draw the structure. So inductive effect has a very important role for a acidity, actually the behavior of organic molecule. In this case, I will check how inductive effect part taking their role in acidity. Suppose you have acid, formic acid. So pKa value, acetic acid. pKa value is lower the pKa value, it is key more acidic.
Higher the
acidic.
acidity.
Huh?
Higher the acidity.
More acidic strength.
More acidic.
More acidic strength. So acidity with lower pKa value. Then HC formic acid have 3.7, but slowly we will going to acetic acid. Now we start with the replacing the hydrogen with the more electronegative atom. Okay, so it's 2.86, 2.66 Cl2 CH acid dichloro. So now with the same atom we replace repeatedly, and finally we reach trichloroacetic acid. Trichloro is hydrogen will be opt actually. Just somehow skips in image. Okay, I will check it again. So in acetic acid, trichloroacetic acid, it's 0.65. Okay. Now, what is the reason? How actually we will show the presence of inductive effect by schematic diagram actually. That is I want to share. So CH3 is a plus I effect. So it pushing the electron because it has hydrogen and carbon have same type of charge density, same type of electronegativity. That's why it has no tendency to electron with this, because they are saturated. Hydrogen is saturated, carbon is 4 valence is saturated, so they have no tendency to withdraw. But because of the electronegativity, higher electronegativity oxygen is coming here. So I put here donating, but there is no. So what is the reflection here? Acidity behavior is because of the fast moving of fast release of hydrogen proton, this proton as H plus. So because of this pushing electron, this hydrogen bonds OH bond is still have not so efficient to release the proton as H plus, but because the absence of plus I effect, this can be easily, little bit easily than the acetic acid, and that's why this one is a 3.7 and acetic acid is a 4.8. So it loses acidity with respect to formic acid because of the presence of CH3 with its having plus I group. So plus I effect decrease acidity here. Simple. That is actually logic. So question will be like this, not only for this one. Maybe there is a 1 marks. Sometimes we put 1 marks. You have to just logically not 1 marks, 1.5 marks maybe. So you draw the structure and you will go to the this is enough. You don't need to write a sentence or any story. Just what is the region, show by presentation, and you draw the structure properly. Structure presentation is must for organic chemistry. Okay, just your writing words are not sufficient. You have to draw, and your schematic presentation is enough to understand for us. And then you few words, and there is a few words like us. The plus I effect decrease the acidity, that is enough. Because not this type of question, you can, 1 page is enough. Okay, but rationally, logically, you have to write down. Now this one. This is same acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, fluoroacetic acid. All are like this. So what will happen? This is again acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, and fluoroacetic acid. Now this one, what happened? This one, the bond breaking efficiency will be higher with respect to the minus I effect, or with respect to the electronegativity, or depends on electronegativity of this group in acetic acid, within the acetic acid. Now what happens if the electron is withdrawing for this minus I by F start with this one, then it go through the sigma bond and it reflects its effect on the shifting of electronic charge from hydrogen to oxygen. And so this hydrogen is very easily released. Same for Cl2. But hydrogen have no such electronegativity or etc. So it's just in normal condition, O minus and H plus. Acetate ion, anion, and get in a equilibrium. So in this role, actually electronegativity role and minus I effect, inductive effect, then you will get the higher acidity in this fluoroacetic acid, then chloro, then normal acetic acid. So the presence of chlorine-fluorine electronegative atom will change, or their inductive presence of them in change the inductive effect minus I and reflects in their release of proton. Thus their acidity will happen, increase because of them. Electronegativity order is this one. And same thing happened with, I just show the whole picture. So this is there is a monochloro, this example. There is a 2-chloro, there is a 3-chloro. Now the dragging, same. There is a 1 minus I effect, there is a 2 minus I effect. So there is a reflection of the release proton face the double effect of the monochloro, presence of 1 chlorine atom in the acetic acid moiety. In such a way, their attraction through the sigma bond. So that is inductive effect. Here is a 3. So obviously this triple dragging force for the 3 chlorine atom reflects their fast release of the proton, and so acidity increase for the trichloro, and we already see, observed it is 0.65. Okay, and slowly it decreases with the so if the number of electronegative atom will increase, or minus I effect is increased, obviously the acidity will increase. That is the conclusion from this slide. So minus I effect increases acidity. Now basicity. So inductive effect also play a role in the basicity. In basicity, or we can explain with the inductive effect the basicity. Now these are simple NH3. So this is amine. There is a methylamine. There is a NN dimethylamine. Now tell me which one will be higher basicity?
First one.
Basicity means
First
First one.
First one.
first one, because basicity means donable, easy donation of electron pair. Okay, here electron pair is reside on nitrogen, and for the first case there is a 2-methyl group. They have plus I effect, and they actually push the charge density towards the nitrogen. So nitrogen now easily donate actually. Then this one, then this one. But now it's okay. But sometimes this methyl group, presence of methyl group, sometimes if there is a cause of a steric hindrance, there is during the adduct formation, base to acid, then though it is a inductively proof, but in the situation during the reactions, they may be not sometimes form the adduct, acid-base adduct formation, Lewis acid-base adduct formation. So that is also a steric effect, not only the inductive effect hamper. Sometimes we will go, there is a steric, during resonance we can see, steric inhibition of resonance, or some, this back effect also have some role for the basicity. So this one. There is a 2, there is a, you're this way, you just present like a this way by arrow marking, so that we can understand, you show, and literally you can write down here plus 2 I effect, plus 1 I effect, plus there is no pi effect, I effect. So that's why now the electron pair, the donable ability of electron pair is increased with the plus I effect, and this one is the highest. That is enough for the your mid semester. This type of question will come actually. Okay, but marks is less, 1.5 something. Okay, but actually in there is a I think 12.5 divided 15 marks for each branch. 15 marks, I think 15 ki 17 marks, no 30 or 10. Mid semester is 10 marks from organic chemistry. So there is not, we will not give the so much, and UV is there, some mechanism is there. So that's why questions are very simple, but you have to write properly with structure. These structures are okay, but resonance structure definitely will go write down sometimes wrongly actually. A presentation sometimes wrong. I will tell what is I actually observe. Plus I effect increases the basicity. Now resonance. Tell me what is resonance. Tell me first. What is resonance in your words?
Delocalization of pi
Delocalized
electrons.
pi electrons.
Yes, delocalization of pi electrons. Delocalization of pi electrons. So the representation, I am in some few words, in my words actually, the representation of structure for an organic molecule can be shown with more than one Lewis structure. Okay, not only the Lewis structure means there is a bonds along with some dot electron we are showing. So that's why Lewis structure. The actual structure is the hybrid of all probable structure. Then the molecule possesses resonance. In that case, we will say it is having resonance. Resonance describes the resultant of all contributing structure or forms or resonance structure or canonical structure into a hybrid resonance in valency bond theory in certain molecules or ions. So valency bond theory is involved for the resonance. All atoms are in the same place. In all canonical structure, only differ in electron distribution. That is very important. So nucleus are in a fixed position for a element, and uh, so only electron are moving from one atom to another atom. But all elements have their nuclears are fixed, give a provided fixed state, and all in the not only same place that is fixed, and another part also during their movement they can move in a electron movement in within a plane. They cannot go down or up. They cannot violate the position. If this happens, there is a restriction of resonance, and you will reflect some interesting thing. So that is the reason. Now resonance occur in a plane. That's I am telling. Resonance occur in a plane. So baking and making of bonds are in a same plane, not in different plane. Otherwise, the valency bond theory will not predict the resonance. Valency bond theory. Resonance hybrid has the lower energy level than each contributing structure, and also the canonical forms do not contribute equally to the actual form. Resonance hybrid has the lower energy, obviously. Otherwise, we can't draw, and that is a good example for benzene actually. Benzene structure is the lower, and we never draw others, all structure literally. Then last point, also canonical forms do not contribute equally to the actual form. That I want to mention in the for heterocyclic aromatic system, not for benzene. Suppose you have pyridine. Pyridine, during this resonance actually, you will get one structure where nitrogen is plus. Okay, so nitrogen is plus. This is something not in a room temperature, low level. It is always a higher energy level, and their contribution to the hybrid structure will be less. So heteroatom in the this type of resonance, it possess positive charge, they contribute less, and they actually sometimes destabilize the moiety too. Okay, we sometimes we in actually in that cases we not consider as resonance, we consider as isoelectronic mesoionic structure. Mesoionic structure, this term will introduce for heteroaromatic system, because the ions are same, everything is same. Okay, their structures are they have some structural different disposition actually, but they are, we can draw the structure with nitrogen. Suppose imidazole have two nitrogen. Imidazole you are familiar, that's why I actually give model example. So there is two nitrogen. So if there is a two nitrogen are positive in such a resonance conditions, so that is there is no resonance actually. There is some structure is definitely there, but not resonance. In that cases, we go to a new term, mesoionic system sometimes. Okay. Acha. Just one question, where we can get imidazole?
ম্যাম মেডিসিনে
আমাদের বডিতে is not in our body imidazole.
ম্যাম ওই কাশি সর্দি হলে যে সিরাপগুলো খায় ওতে ইমিডাজল থাকে।
আর কিছু মনে পড়ছে না। So is there any amino acid which have imidazole? Amino acid? All are from computer. No one is from biology. But this is from class 10 level.
Ma'am, are you asking us a question?
Yes. I am asking, actually in our body, is there any imidazole moiety? Then where actually?
Ma'am, I didn't get the question correctly. Could you please repeat?
Acha, imidazole moiety. Do you hear about the imidazole?
No, ma'am, I don't ever heard of it.
Imidazole, essential amino acid.
I guess histidine.
Yes.
Histidine, ma'am.
Histidine has imidazole, na? So that's why actually it's very important imidazole moiety. And so many medicines are formed actually because of these essential amino acids. They are compatible in our body. Okay. And we are using to prepare any medicine with base of imidazole so that it's compatible very rapidly. Okay, so that is something just for general purpose. So that is some canonical structure for carbonate. Just one example, simple example. Carbonate is very popular, so all oxygen are equivalent here. If we go through this resonance, everybody have the same type of bond order with carbon, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. So that is the resonant disposal in a same plane. If all the elements are the same plane with a fixed position, their disposition of electrons are very uniform. Resonance. So this is resonance hybrid. All are not delta minus. Now resonance in benzene. So what is the benzene structures? This is Kekule's canonical forms, and this one Dewar canonical forms. Okay, and this is the resonance hybrid. But when we write down everywhere, we draw the structure for benzene presentation, resonance only, this hybrid only, not the Kekule structure all the time. Sometimes we draw the Kekule structure during our reaction mechanism. That time resonance hybrid is not actually very good to show. How can we show the shifting of resonance? And sometimes we use the Dewar canonical forms. Okay, both are present.
Is it still benzene?
Huh?
The Dewar canonical forms.
Yes, it is also benzene's form. And there is a 90, I think the ratio, I write down. The ratio is like, I think 75 or 25. Always there. And there is a lots of evidence for the presence of canonical Dewar structures. There is lots of experiment provided. You can check. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Because during Diels-Alder reaction, how benzene behaves, etc. You can go that Dewar. This time benzene go through the Dewar form. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that is something for benzene. We will go to again for aromatization, aromatic moiety. Then we will tell. Resonance energy. Now, what is the resonance, etc.? We are talking about the lower base stability for the resonance hybrid than the canonical structure. So this difference actually resonance energy. So is a minus actually. The structure of a compound with delocalized electron is more stable than in structure with localized electron. Individual structure, that is canonical forms, the extra stability gains from the delocalization of electron known as resonance energy. And we will go to one presentation on schematic presentation. Before that, the enthalpy change in hydrogenation or on combustion of benzene is less exothermic than expected for C double bond C in cyclic 6-membered system. That we will go see by, suppose you have this one. So if we hydrogenation minus 28.6 kilocalorie. Okay, for this one, this is some conjugated double bond, 2 double bond, minus 55. But for aromatic ring, if we this benzene ring, if we hydrogenate or combustion, will release minus 49.8 kilocalorie. But if you go through, if there is no resonance, then you will go through just triple of the 28 into 3 and you will get the 85.8 kilocalorie. But it's not happened. So obviously there is some less energy actually in hybrid gene. So that's why you can this way also 28.6 kilocalorie. This is 55.6. Expected 85.8, but you will get 49.8 kilocalorie. So this is according to the energy actually. So this difference 49.8 to 85.8, that is the actually resonance energy for benzene ring. Stability energy, you can say resonance stability energy, that also you can say. But popularly it is known as RE, resonance energy. So hypothetically it's that one, but actually this is happened. So that's why the term resonance energy is coming actually introduced for showing the stability, extra stability for the aromatic ring. This is resonance energy. Okay. For also for aromatization energy. Later on we will see this is the same for benzene ring. Now resonance effect. Application resonance. pKa of acetone is 20, and but pKa of nitromethane is 10.2. So nitromethane is more acid than acetone. So this one acetone. Okay, so I expel one H plus and show -1 this way. So this is conjugate base stability. I was checking stability. But what happened with the nitromethane? Here, what happened with the nitromethane?
Ma'am, -I effect stabilizes the conjugate base.
Actually, these again, this oxygen and this oxygen are in a resonance. So some extra resonant energy, canonical forms are coming from the introductions of nitro group. But that is not possible for the acetone. Acetone have stop here. But nitromethane, this oxygen, this one is coming, okay, is also can coming, going, now is uniform actually. Okay, now it can be uniform actually. Suppose you have going this one to here, so minus again coming. So all are like this way. But there is one methyl group, so less canonical forms are there. So that's why it's actually more acidic in nitromethane. And also the nitro group is nitro group. Actually, we are checking here the conjugate base, not the moiety itself. The stability of conjugate base, accordingly, we predict the increase the acidity. If the stability of conjugate base is stable, so that's why the moiety is release the proton and go to the this moiety. Now phenol, this one phenol, and this is ROH, simple aliphatic alcohol, no resonance. So plus I effect decrease acidity. Plus I effect decrease, but R methyl pushing the electron, so the ionic bond breaking of the OH is less for the plus I effect of R. But for what is the for phenol, what happened? There is a resonance effect predominant, and we can see draw the this structure you have to draw actually. Okay, so be carefully prepare. And here for resonance, we always showing the arrow from electron to the shifting of bond or new formation of electron, but never we keep that way actually, here to here, opposite sign. Okay, so here see these are stable moiety, so they can release their, so a O plus, so they can easily release their proton, and we will think about the phenol is the acidic condition. And also you can go through the stability checking by phenoxide oil also. This moiety is also gives some lots of resonating structure. So both this moiety starting material and the conjugate base both are stabilized by will be actually by resonance, and the after expel of one proton, phenoxide is still stable, and so they is showing its acidity. This one I am showing actually. So whatever you want, you can explain accordingly. So aniline is less basic. Aniline is less basic than aliphatic amine. There is no resonance, only plus I effect. So electron increases the basicity, but here what happened? Donated electrons are participate in the aromatic sextet or resonance with the aromatic moiety, phenyl ring. So that's why the donable capacity, there is no electron at all in the free electron at all at the nitrogen. Nitrogen is now becoming positive. So that they lose their basicity with respect to aliphatic amine. So that's happened. Now tautomerism. I think I will start tautomerism from next day and then going on. Okay. We have some. I have some meeting also from 12.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
I have a question.
Yeah, I only send the recording. Achha, you make any shortcut email, just one email ID for your group. Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am. We have created a Google group for chemistry.
Google
group 5 or group 5.
That's easy na. One mail will be I will send, because sometimes na copy and paste is miss someone. So just share this if your think actually you can share this email. I will send this email so that you can get.
Yes, ma'am. If you send anyone the recording, then we will post it in our Google group.
Not anyone. I can send you. Just send Ashad. So
Ma'am, actually today
you
we will
choose
have
your
election
class
of the
representative. I will
Today
send
we'll have the
class
election.
after election. So just one day maybe, no?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, share your email ID. I will share you, and you will share all the time. Otherwise, no, sometimes we miss all maybe one during cut and paste.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Today
was
we have
asking
the
that if
election
you
of the
can
CR.
please send a PDF regarding the course structure and the marks distribution for the first year of chemistry.
Right now I have no, but definitely I can share. I have one small one, not in a just in website level. My small one I can share. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Which book we
This
fall
is
for?
not actually so rigid. The course structure is not so rigid, flexible, depending on the hour. There is everything is there in the syllabus, but depending on the time bound, actually constant, we will our choice is ours. Suppose sometimes we actually, especially for these online classes, sometimes we avoid stereochemistry, because it is very difficult to draw within a so small time to show, and also the twisting of this stereochemistry is very difficult to understand through online classes. Just without we can go through some definition definitely, but not in-depth stereochemical reactions. So that will be difficult to write down during exam. That's why.